There you go.
Oh, they're size 5. I would have so got them.
Feeling like the sun and the stars.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to click on to this video. Before we jump right into today's video, oh my god, I just want to share with you guys something. This is actually the second time that I'm filming this whole entire video. So yesterday I tried filming this video and I filmed it all the way through, and then when I sat down to edit it, I realized the whole entire video had no audio on it, and I was like, no. I mean, this has nothing to do with today's video, but I just wanted to share with you guys, like, if you're watching this and you've ever had like any of those little instances where you're just like, ugh. Yeah, so whole point being of that story is I was just feeling like, dang, I could either look at this in a positive way or I could look at this in a negative way, and I was like, wow, I have the power to choose that. So I chose to look at it as a positive, and here I am sharing with you guys this video all over again. But for you guys, it's the first time watching it. But yeah, I just want to share that, and I don't know if that helps anybody in any way, shape, or form. Yeah, you have the power to choose, and you are so in control. I don't know why I feel so nervous. So for today's video, we are doing a Buffalo Exchange thrift store haul. I'm so excited to share this one with you guys. I actually already went ahead and went to Buffalo Exchange, and later on in the video I'm going to show you guys my whole experience. You guys can walk around with me in the store and see my process of me thrifting at Buffalo Exchange. Just briefly, if you guys don't know what Buffalo Exchange is, it is a thrift store where you guys can buy and sell clothes to. I think shopping at thrift stores where you're able to buy and sell your clothes to is such a really cool experience, because one, you can make money by just donating your clothes that you were probably going to throw out or donate anyways, but also when you're shopping at one of those thrift stores, I feel like it's so much easier to find really good thrift finds because they're a lot more pickier and choosy about what type of clothes are going into the store. So they're more likely to take more popular brands like Philo, Champion, Converse, like whatever you could think of. They probably do have it at Buffalo Exchange, which is why I love them so much. And this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I've only been there like a couple times, but I do think it's a really dope store. If you have one in your area, I would recommend that you check it out. Yeah, so for today's thrift store haul, I actually went to the one in Los Angeles off of Melrose. This was my first time going into that location. I think they moved because they used to have it off of La Brea in, I don't know the other cross street, but I know it was off of La Brea in Hollywood, and that one was pretty big, and the few times that I went there I always found really cool things. Like, I think the last time I went to that location I found an authentic Golf Wang t-shirt, and then I found some like Michael Kors bandana pants, which I thought were so cool. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got from today's thrift store haul at Buffalo Exchange. I think I got about like 5 outfits and then 2 pairs of shoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the outfits and how I would actually style them. Oh, I can't believe I forgot to say this, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, guys. We are slowly but surely growing. My goal is to get to 200 subscribers by the end of this month, so if you just hit that little subscribe button right there, that would be very helpful. And plus, I want to take you guys on this journey with me of sharing you my fashion and music lifestyles. Yeah, so if you guys subscribe to this channel, you guys will get to look forward to so many fashion tips, tricks, and DIYs from me, as well as my musics. Yeah, so subscribe. I feel like I am forgetting how to do an intro right now. So now I'm just gonna insert that footage of my thrift store visit at Buffalo Exchange. Enjoy. Guys, so we're gonna go on Buffalo Exchange with Coco and Josh. Serious. Hopefully you find something cool in here, right?
We'll see. Let's go check it out.
Let's check it out.
There you go.
Oh, they're size 5. I would have so got them. Damn, those would have been cute. Oh, these are size 9. So that was my visit at Buffalo Exchange, and now we're gonna try on the clothes that we got. Like I said, I think I got about 5 outfits and then 2 pairs of shoes. So I'm just gonna walk you guys through that and show you how I would style the outfits and just a little close-ups. Yeah, so you guys can see what the quality is like and what to expect if you shop at a Buffalo Exchange, what type of clothes that they take in. Yeah, so we're gonna try these on. Alright guys, so for the first outfit, this is the shirt that I thrifted, and this is the outfit that I put together to go with it. I love this shirt. When I first saw it, I was debating whether or not I wanted to get it because it just looked like a basic shirt that I probably could have gotten from Forever 21 or something. But what did stand out to me is the quality in this t-shirt. It is so thick and I love the ribbed design on it. So once I picked it up and felt it, I was like, I do kind of want this shirt. Another thing is, it is a basic t-shirt, so I feel like there's so many things that you can wear this with and dress it up or dress it down. Sometimes I feel like basic clothes are a little bit more worth it because you're gonna get more wear out of it. So I do really like this little shirt, and it is a crop top. Actually, you know what? It's kind of a shirt, kind of crop top, kind of a shirt, but I really do like my shirts cropped, so I just kind of tuck it in right there and faux make it look like it's really cropped. So that's a little technique if you guys like your shirt but you wish it was more cropped. So all in all, 10 out of 10. I love this shirt. So this is the next t-shirt. I love this one so much. Honestly, out of all the things that I thrifted here in this haul, I think this one has to be my favorite one. Yeah, I've just been looking everywhere for a nice, good, simple, but authentic looking band t-shirt, and I think this is it. I love how it's like a faded charcoal black color. The print is kind of faded and I really like that. I don't know why, I just feel like it gives it a more authentic band t-shirt look. I just ended up putting it into a little ball to give it a little bit more style, make it look like it's cinched at the waist, but you can always undo it and just wear it tucked in. And that's another thing that I love about these kind of shirts is you can wear it so many different ways. Like I can untuck it and wear it as an oversized t-shirt with biker shorts, and I think that outfit would be so cute. And I just love the sleeve length, the color, everything goes with so many outfits. But yeah, this one was definitely a 10 out of 10. Oh, so cute. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 3. And this is the third item that I bought from Buffalo Exchange. Oh, I love this one so much. I'm so glad that I got it because it's so cute. It's a Champion shirt, and my favorite part about the shirt is that I think somebody actually DIY'd this shirt. And what I mean by that is because you can actually see where the person sewed on this ribbon. And I could just tell it wasn't like manufactured at the Champion store because you could just tell by the stitching it looks like somebody did this at home. It's on both sides of the sleeves. I can just tell that somebody made this, which makes me so happy because I feel like this is like the one and only version of this shirt, which is so cool. I think it's always cool to find little thrift store finds like that, and it's just so comfortable. Yeah, so we got 2 dresses coming up and a couple pairs of shoes that I wanted to show you. Let's just go to outfit number 4. This is outfit number 4. Yeah, so I got this dress from Buffalo Exchange as well, and I'm not gonna lie, it's not my favorite. Like, the dress is cute, I think it is, but maybe there's just something about the way that it fits my body that I'm not really a fan of, and I just don't really know if it's my style. I got it, and it was actually the first thing that I picked up when I walked into the store, and I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. But now that I'm trying it on, not so much. Like I said, the dress is cute, but I just don't really feel like it's my style. I kind of feel like I look like a big potato or a cockroach or something. It's alright. I think pairing it with some boots might make it a lot cuter, or even some Doc Martens. I think that would be really cute, which I definitely gotta get me a pair of those. I don't know really what to say about this, other than it's so sticky. I would probably rate this dress like a 6 out of 7. 6 out of 7. What? A 6 out of 10. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 5. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really feeling this one that much either. It's okay, there's nothing really wrong with it. It is a little bit loose right here, and maybe I'm just not really a fan of these shoulder area things. I don't know. Maybe I would wear this if I worked in an office or something. I don't think I'm just a fan of the style. When I saw it, I thought it looked like something else, and that's kind of why I picked it up. But hey, I think that's just kind of part of the culture of thrifting. You're gonna pick up items that are hits, and then you're also gonna pick up some that are misses. But the bright side of that is you can either sell it back to a store like Buffalo Exchange and get at least partial some of your money back. I like the color. I do like the little stripes on it, but I do like that part of it. I just think the fit and the shape of it, I'm not really that big of a fan of. But on the bright side, I do like picking up things that are a little bit out of my style just to venture out and see what else is out there. Alright guys, so this is the first pair of shoes that I did thrift from Buffalo, and I'm so happy to actually have my hands on some Converse. I've really been needing just like a staple go-to shoe. These are perfect. I love Converse. I used to actually wear Converse a lot, but I haven't lately, and I'm glad I found these. And they were only $15. Like, come on, I had to get them. It's just, again, like a very neutral, basic, essential piece to have in your wardrobe. So I'm very happy that I found these. And lastly, I got these black and white Vans. I'm so happy that I found Vans. The only unfortunate thing about these is I think they are in a men's size, because I grabbed a size 7.5 and I didn't try it on in the store, but once I got home and tried them on, they're really big on my feet. So I don't know if I'm going to keep them. That's why I did keep the tags on these ones. Again, just like the other 2 dresses, I think I might exchange them for something else. I think I'm still going to go to the store and just buy like a classic black and white pair of Vans, because guys, they just go with everything. But they're still really cute, and I just wanted to show you guys anyway so you can see what to expect and the type of quality that Buffalo Exchange does bring into their stores. Alright guys, we did it. We did it, guys. That is the end of this clothing haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed the outfits that I put together. Yeah, and I hope overall that you guys learned a little bit about how to thrift and just what to expect when you go to a thrift store, or what you would expect when you go to Buffalo Exchange, because I feel like they run just a little bit different from most thrift stores, since you can sell and buy to them. Maybe next time I'll do a video on how to actually sell to a thrift store. And I actually used to work at a thrift store that did consignment items, and you can buy, sell, trade. I don't know why I never thought about making a video about that. Yeah, so if you guys want to see a video on that topic of how to buy, sell, and trade to a thrift store, I feel like I have so much good information. So comment down below if you would like to see a video about that. I do think that this thrift store haul was definitely a success, minus the 2 dresses and maybe the pair of Vans that didn't really fit. But then again, it's totally okay, because I can always go back and exchange them since I did leave the tags on them. I would say that my 2 favorite pieces of this haul was the Led Zeppelin band t-shirt. Oh, that one was so cute. I just love the color on that shirt. And then the white Champion crop top. Oh, so cute. And like I said, I love how it looked like a DIY shirt, so I feel like that is the only one of that type of shirt that exists, which makes me so much happier. Oh, and for those of you guys who are new to my channel or just new to me, I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You know, I really hope that you got something out of it. For me, I feel like fashion and music just go hand in hand. Like, whenever I'm thinking about any music video ideas or photo shoots, I'm always thinking about the outfits, the looks, yeah, how I want to visually represent my art. So I just hope that coming from that background, I feel like stepping into this fashion world is so awesome. So yeah, feel free to check that out. And what else was I gonna say? Yeah, just thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, just like my little minion friend right here. And be part of the Onyx Royals family, guys. Hit that subscribe button as well as turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Yeah, I hope you guys just have an amazing day. Think positive thoughts and just remind yourself whatever it is that you have your mind set to, you got this, guys. Yeah, feel free to follow me on Instagram too. Message me if you guys would like somebody to just talk to, or just like fashion, music, or just motivation advice. Hit me up, message me. That's really all that I have left to say, so bye.